have an event coming up and you want to give someone one of these beautiful Maile tea leaf leis, but you don't have $70 to spend, you're in the right place, because I'm going to show you how you can make one of these leis for free. First, you need some tea leaves. Just ask around and I'm sure you can find family or friends that would be so willing to share some of their tea leaf with you. Next, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to kind of hold them kind of slanted towards the hard stem in the middle of the tea leaf, and you're going to kind of strip as closely as you can to the center stem. It's actually therapeutic. Once you get the hang of it, it's no problem. And if you make a little mistake, it's okay. It's very forgiving. So now you're going to take and you're going to grab several at a time and you're going to bundle them up because you need to soften the tea leaf so that it is bendable and stronger and doesn't rip. Again, so just grab a handful. It doesn't really matter how many. I'm just kind of guesstimating and just grabbing as many as I want each time and roll them nicely, and then you're going to put them into a bowl. I just used my lovely little Pyrex and put a lid on top, and you're going to put it in the microwave with a tiny bit of water so that it will steam and be flexible and strong. So when we're twisting it and pulling and tugging on it, it won't rip. The second way to soften your tea leaf is to just wrap them up and throw them in the freezer and just store them in the freezer for a little bit. These are some that I had left over from a previous lei, and I just took them out and they're ready to go. Just thaw them out. And so now you take each one of your softened tea leaf halves and you just kind of cut diagonally to make these little kind of diamond parallelogram shape strips, and you're going to use these. That's what you're going to kind of twist into your lei to make the little leafy sticking out parts. So now the tricky part begins. You leave a little bit of the end open. Do you see how I left a little bit untwisted? And so now you're going to hold it tightly and you're going to twist very tightly. It is amazing how strong these things are. And you're going to just twist, 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 twist until you start getting it going, and then you're going to take a second leaf and you're going to twist, twist, twist to the right. And now you're going to overlap them and you're going to tie them in a knot, and you're going to tug and secure that knot so that that is the end of one side of your leis. And so now, remember, you're taking each one of the strips and you're twisting it to the right very, very tightly, and then, get this, you're going to take those two strips and you're going to twist them across each other over towards the left. And then you're going to keep twisting to make sure they're good and tight. Now, ignore my foot in this picture. I hate looking at my feet on camera, or anyone's feet for that matter, but it serves a great purpose because it's the best thing to use to hold your lei, because you need to hold it tight and you need to be able to twist tight, because you're going to take each of the little parallelogram diamond shaped strips and you're going to pinch it and feed it in, and then you're going to keep twisting each individual strip to the right. And then you're going to, after you have them twisted, then you're going to twist them over themselves to the left. Twist to the right individually, twist to the left. And then you're going to get another parallelogram or diamond smaller strip that you cut and twist to the right, twist to the right, twist over to the left. And just keep feeding them in. Now, if you will notice, I'm getting to the end of my main strips of tea leaf. And when that happens, easy peasy, you just take another strip and you leave a little bit off of the end so it's the same kind of, looks like the ones that we've been leaving out, that we've been pinching. And then you just overlap and twist the remaining section into the new leaf. And just twist, twist, twist. Make sure you twist it and it gets really tight. And there you have it. Twist, 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 no problem. So every time you get to the end, yeah, see this one's at the end too, just coincidentally. So I'm just taking the new one and I'm just twisting it and kind of threading it in so that there you got it. You have two new extensions of your main strips, so you can keep going and make your lei as long as you want to. And so again, twist, twist, twist to the right, twist, twist, twist to the right, twist to the left, over the left, and there you have, oh, my foot again. So now we have come to the end. Well, almost. Here we go. When you get to the end, you're just going to take the two ending main strips and you're going to tie another knot. Easy peasy. You can do this. I know it looks complicated, and it is at first, but if you just practice, you can make these beautiful leis and save yourself $40, $50, $60, $70. Look how beautiful this is. Whoever you give it to is going to love it. Love it, love it. Look at that. See, you can do it. Sincerely, Dawn.